Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now we see question number 2. If the median of 60 observations given below is 28.5, find the values of x and y. Here class intervals are given and frequency is also given. Now here what we need to understand, observe carefully here, this is the median. So here median is given, we are asked to find x and y, these values are to be found now. When the median is given, so here it will fall, see 28.5 is in between 20 to 30, so this is the median class, this is the median class, right? So it should have cumulative frequency also, for which we are going to find CF is for cumulative frequency, this is Fi and Ci is for class interval. Let us write this 5 as it is, 5 plus x, 5 plus x plus 20, so 20 plus 5 is 25, plus let us maintain the x as it is, 25 plus 15 is 40, and let us write the x as it is, 40 plus x plus y is 40 plus x plus y, 40 plus 5 is 45 plus x plus y. Clear? Now, so here from here to here this will be median class. So let us write here it as median class. Median class, since this is the given median, since 28.5 is median, so here it will fall in between 20 and 30, so this is selected as median class, right? Now next one is we need to find the sum of these frequencies. So here 5 except x and y, except x and y, remaining, let us add all the remaining values. 5 plus 20 is 25, 25 plus 15 is 40, 40 plus 5 is 45. So it is 45, this total is 45 plus x plus y. Clear? This is sigma Fi. But you observe the given question, it is there are 60 observations, it is given that there are 60 observations. So here 60 indicates again sigma Fi. Clear? So we can write here also given sigma Fi is 60. So we can make them equal. Therefore we can say 45 plus x plus y is 60. Let us send 45 that side. So x plus y equal to 60 minus 45 is 15. Let us take it as equation number 1. Right? Now here we use the formula of median. Formula of median is L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h given, or we have, okay, L is its lower limit. So here this 20 will be the L. Let us write here L is equal to 20, and n by 2, since n is given it as 60 observations, since n is 60, then n by 2 is 60 by 2 is 30. Since it is the median class, see the previous one, the preceding one can be taken as Cf, and the inside one, inside the median class, what frequency is there, that can be taken as f. So here we can write Cf is equal to 5 plus x and f is 20, and here h, here you see 0 to 10, 10 to 20, the width, h is equal, the difference between these numbers 10 and 0, difference is 10. So that is, see, that is common everywhere, so we can take h equal to 10. Now here let us substitute these values in the formula. So here this is what median equal to, but given median is 28.5, we can use it. So 28.5 is equal to, this is the median, equal to L, L means here 20 plus n by 2, that is 30 minus CF. So here minus CF is 5 plus x by f is 20 into h is 10. Now here we can do cancellation. This is 10 ones are 10 and this is 10 twos are 20. Now here let us continue. Write 28.5 as it is equal to 20 plus 30. 30 minus 5 is 25. Here you see minus into plus is minus, so 25 minus x by 2. Clear? Now here let us continue. Here it has 20, let us have this 20 this side. So 25 minus x by 2 will become 28.5 minus 20 is just 8.5. Clear? So on simplification, let us do cross multiplication. 25 minus x equal to 2 into 8.5 is 17. This is negative x, let us send that side. So it is 25 is equal to 17 plus x. From this x is equal to send that 17 this side. So 25 minus 17, therefore we got x is equal to 8. See, we are asked to find the values of x and y, in which we got x value. This x value let us substitute in equation 1. So now here, now from equation 1, from 1 says that x plus y is equal to 15, in which 8 is equal, 8 plus y is equal to 15. So let us send 8 that side. So y equal to 15 minus 8 is 7. Right? So here let us conclude the problem that therefore x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 7. So here this is the answer for this problem, second one. With this, the second one gets completed. Now we see question number 3. A life insurance agent found the following data about distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. Calculate the median age. Here it is given, extra data is given, that is policies are given only to persons having age 18 years onwards but less than 60 years. So here let us observe the given class intervals, that is it is not given as interval, it is given below 20 there are 2 policy holders, below 25 6 are there, like that is given up to below 60. So number of policy holders 100. Here if you observe the question carefully, here we do not have the class intervals. So first let us convert this data into class intervals. So here let us write Ci is for class interval. Here you observe the difference, 20 to 25, 5 is the difference. So we should maintain the 5. So we should write here 15 to 20, 15 to 20, right? Because here it is clearly mentioned that below 18 years the policy is not given. Policy is given only for 18 to 60. So we need not write 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15 is not required. Now here below 25 is there, we can write it as 20 to 25. Especially for finding median, it should be continuous. Class interval should be continuous. That's why here I am not writing 21 to 25. I am writing 20 to 25. Here you see these two are equal. It indicates that there is a continuous class interval. So same way third one is 25 to 30. Next one 30 to 35. Next one 35 to 40. Next one 40 to 45. Next one 45 to 50. 50 to 55. 55 to 60. Right. Next, if you observe the given frequency, see this is below 20, there are 2 policy holders, below 25, 6 are there. that means below 25, these two numbers are included here. If you observe carefully, see 2, 6, 24, 45, 78, 89, 92, 98, 100. This is in increasing order. So we can say this is cumulative frequency. So here you see below 20 there are 2 are there, below 25 6 are there, means this is 4 plus 2. Okay, actually 20 to 25 4 are there. So let us prepare the frequency for this given data, name it as some Fi. Let us write this 2 as it is. Now this in place of this 6, we can write, here you observe 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. Now 24 minus 6 is 18. 45 minus 24 is 21. 78 minus 45 is 33. 89 minus 78 is 11. 92 minus 89 is 3. 98 minus 92 is 6. 100 minus 98 is 2. Clear? So this way we can prepare the frequency from the given cumulative frequency. Now we enter the problem, that is we are asked to find the median. So let us write the median formula here. Median is L plus n by 2 minus Cf by F into H. This is the formula. So here we are going to find the values. Let us add them. 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 8 is 14, 15, 18, 19, 22, 28, 30. So here 0 and 3 is the carry forward. 3 plus 1 4, 7, 9, 10. So it is 100. This 100 indicates the sum of frequencies, that is called n. So here n is 100. When n is 100, here you see we have n equal to 100. Then n by 2 equal to 100 by 2, that is 50. Now we need to select in the cumulative frequency which is more than 50, just more than 50. So here observe in the cumulative frequency list, 78 is just more than 50. 78 is just more than 50. So let us consider this as median class. This is called median class, right? In which the preceding one is called cumulative frequency Cf and this 33 is called F, and here the lower limit, that is L. Okay, lower limit of the median class. Now here we are going to write those values. So let us write the values here. N by 2 is already 50 and Cf is 45 and F is 33 and H, here we are going to find H. Here is the difference between the class intervals, that is width of the class interval we can call, that is H equal to 5. So let us write H equal to 5. Now substitute these values in the formula. Therefore we will have median is equal to L plus, here L is, here L we have, that is, okay, I did not write L here. So let us write L is equal to, here you observe this is 35 in the median class, this lower limit, okay, this is 35. So L is 35, let us substitute here. L plus means 35 plus n by 2 is 50 minus Cf is 45 by F is 33 into H is 5. Clear? Now here let us do cancellation. I think here these numbers, they won't get cancelled, so we are going to go for the further simplification. 35 let us write as it is. 50 minus 5 is 45 is 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 by 33. Clear? Now here let us divide 25 with 33. 25 let us divide with 33. Let us write here 0 point, means here 250, right? Now here let us see how many times it may be cancelled. Let us check with 7. 7 3s are 21. 2 is carry forward. 7 3s are 21 plus 2 23. So on subtraction here you will get this is 9 and here 24, it is 19. So here 190. Clear? So we can try it as if we try for 6 times. 6 3s are 18, 1. 6 3s are 18 plus 1, 19. It is getting little bit more. So let us take 5 times only. So it is 5 into 33 is 165. Now here this is 5, 18 means 25, again 250. Again 7 times. So it is again 231, right? Now let us write this 35 as it is, and this is 0.757 on adjusting to the decimal after two decimals. So it will become 0.7. See, the next number is 7, that is more than 5. So here it can be raised by 1. So 5 becomes 6. So 35.076 is 35 plus 0 is 35. So it is 35.76. Now here the question is calculate the median age. So we can write therefore the median age is 35.76, and in the class interval is given years. So we can write it as years. So with this problem 3 gets completed. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.